Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Discord problem on the application of Pokémon Go. You will go to settings. Here in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Pokémon Go and you will click. Then you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by liking.